This is the Budget Smart Speaker by Amazon. I'm going to show you what's in this box after this. What's up guys, it's Mayank. Thank you for coming in and hanging out with me today. On this channel, I do a lot of honest reviews and detailed unboxings just like this one. If you're new here, consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. So what I have for you today is the Amazon Echo Dot. And it's a hands-free voice-controlled device that uses Alexa, which is similar to Siri. You can ask Alexa to play a top song, dim your light, set up alarms and wake you up at a specific time such as 6 a.m. And you can ask simple questions like what's the weather like outside today. If you're a Prime member, there's a lot of benefits that come with being an Amazon Prime member. I'm going to be leaving a link to the Prime membership down below so you can take a look. A couple of important ones are you get fast shipping on your Amazon orders. You get access to the Amazon version of Netflix, Prime Music, which is similar to Spotify, and one of the greatest features about Prime is you have access to Prime Photo, which allows you to upload unlimited photos to the cloud drive. I'm going to be leaving a link for this device underneath the like button, so make sure you check it out. So let's open this up. We're going to pull it off. Open this up, pop it open. You have your user manual. This is really good for anybody who is new to a smart speaker. It lists different commands that you can ask, such as play me some Prime music, shuffle my dinner playlist. You can even shop on Amazon using this speaker. So you can say, where's my stuff, for any things that you've ordered on Amazon. And if you run out of things such as paper towels, you can be like, Alexa, buy more paper towels. Your warranty guide, and then the cables that come with the device. So you get a wall outlet and a USB to micro USB cable. All right, so I have the cable plugged in. We're gonna plug it into the back. So it's turning on.
Hello, your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
To complete the setup, we have to install the Alexa app. Just type in Alexa app on your iPhone and it's gonna be this one. So we're going to open it up and it's going to ask us to sign into the Amazon account. So it's going to be the same email and password that you use for your Amazon account. Once you've entered your email and your password, select sign in. And so we're going to go back and forth on our iPhone as well as our Alexa device. Press continue. It's going to ask you to choose and set up a device. We're going to use the Echo Dot, English Canada. Continue. We're going to set it up over Wi-Fi. Wait for the orange ring. And it's going to say connect your iPhone to the Echo Dot. We're going to go back, Wi-Fi, and what's going to show up on our Wi-Fi list is Amazon K88, which is the serial number for this device. Enter it. Just connecting to it.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Okay, so we're going to go back to our app, connect to the Echo Dot. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi, enter my password. So while we wait for this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this device. Are you using any smart speakers for your home? So the setup is complete. It says connected over the Wi-Fi. Click continue, and then select how you want to use your Echo Dot. I'm going to say Bluetooth or audio cable. It's up to you how you want to choose it. I'm going to select Bluetooth. Alright guys, so we're back and the speaker has been set up. I know it seems like it's been turned off, but all you have to do to turn it on or wake it up is just say Alexa and you're good to go. What's the temperature in Vancouver?
Right now in Vancouver, Canada, it's 17 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast has partly sunny weather, with a high of 21 degrees and a low of 9 degrees. Alright,
so another great thing that I love about Alexa and the Amazon Echo Dot is after you've asked a question and you open up your Amazon Alexa app, it shows you what you've asked. And if you're not happy with the result, just scroll down to the bottom, select more, and you can actually say yes or no to the question, which is, did Alexa do what you wanted? I'm going to select yes because Alexa did what I wanted. So apart from those generic questions, you can even go to detailed ones like, Alexa, what's the price of an Amazon Spot?
Based on your order history, I found Echo Spot Black. It's $190.84 total including tax.
And you can even ask the speaker to do small things like set up a timer for 2 seconds.
2 seconds, starting now.
Alright, so this is everything you get out of the box. You get your device, power cable and plug, warranty guide, instructions manual, and this is my favorite thing, the different commands you can ask Alexa. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the Echo Dot. Are you planning on purchasing this device or do you want to go for the bigger one, the Echo Spot? I actually have Echo Spot on the way. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and comparison with the Echo Dot, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.